Okay, guys. So my PS3 broke. PS3. I sound like a douchebag. Okay, my PS3 broke down. Yeah. No, you see no fucking light on, right? Yeah, I connected. Yeah, I know that shit. I'm sorry for this bullshit ass fucking thing you can't even see. Well, yeah. And I try to unplug it and connect it back. Well, the light turns on. Turn it on. Couple minutes later, it fucking turns off. You know something right now. Just wait for it. Alright, a couple solutions to why this is happening. I'm not sure if it's for sure. I just really don't know what to do at this point. If you know what's happening, it's not turning off for some reason. I don't know why. Unless I fixed it, of course, or something. I don't know. You just gotta wait. It'll turn off eventually. I'm pretty sure it has to do something with my power source. Getting on YouTube like a dumbass. I'm pretty sure it has to do something with my power source. Because right in the middle of games, I'm playing Call of Duty, all that shit, Black Ops 2. Yeah, sniping and shit. Middle of a game, turns off. I get fucking pissed. The light doesn't stay on, it just turns off like nothing. I'm pretty sure it has to do something with my power source, but I'm not technically for sure. If you got any answers, leave them below in the comments. But I just really need fucking help to try to fix this shit. I don't want to lose all my data and shit that I have on here. Yeah. I tried the blow dryer, yes, I know, I already tried it. Shit doesn't work. I'm trying everything y'all guys are telling me, everything that I found online. I took it apart, cleaned it, everything. I'm just trying to find a way for that. Yeah, I'm gonna need to, for it to somehow work. Let's watch a couple of commentaries from my favorite fucking sniper, Kamaj and Sprat. Or dual bromance, fucking gay ass faggots. But I'm gonna watch it anyway. And just wait until this crap fucking turns off again. Why is it not loading? What's going on? MK. The fuck is Unpub? Please come on. This shit. I know some of you faggots are gonna call this copyright. No, I'm giving their credit. This is their video, and this is their video. I just want y'all to see it. Before because they're fucking sick at sniping. So my god. This is my inspiration right here, where I got it from Kamaj and Scrap. 100%. Copy the classes, of course. Fucking love his shit. Dope boss like a bitch. Collateral right there. That is fucking sick. Oh my god. So sexy. Sorry for the fucking buffing and shit. Really sorry for the buffing. Really sorry for the buffing. Fucking PS3. Yeah. I give full credit to them because this is theirs. This is not mine. Me and her 100% legit. This isn't mine. I get some collaterals, but not all the time. I'm on the fucking beat. hate this sorry ass fucking connection. Wow. So far, it's not. It hasn't been turning off for some reason. I don't know. Are you gonna turn off or what? What the hell? I have a feeling it's gonna do something, but I don't know why. It's turning off. And if it doesn't turn off, I'm gonna take advantage and get on. There it is. Fucking shit. There you can see, guys. It turns off. No fucking light. It pisses me the fuck off. Yes, I'm pissed off. So, if you guys know what the problem is, hit me up. Leave comments. Please just help me fucking find out what the fucking problem is, because I really need to know what the fuck is wrong with it. I did not pay $150 for that shit just for it to break. Thank you. I don't have a warranty, so yeah, I already opened it. Of course, it's voided now. So yeah.